This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Bray. Builder's model home is now for sale, closing date TBD. This gorgeous Aurora floor plan was professionally designed and decorated with finishes to impress. Spectacular, bold waterfront view, steps to beach, gazebo, clubhouse and fitness room, and bayfront pool. This home's price includes the designer window treatments, wall coverings, upgraded trim package, and more. You can also opt to purchase the home with all the furniture and accessories for an additional charge. Why not just move in with a suitcase and toothbrush? See agent for cost to buy this spectacular home as it sits. Our homes all come with a 2-car garage and storage closet. Don't miss this grand opportunity. Call for a tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Bray at 757-481-7000.